What's going on, Sneak Geeks? This is Zalo Kicks here, checking in with you guys, bringing you guys another restoration video. In today's video, we will be working on these 2012 Jordan BRED 4s. They are really damn dirty. They also have lint inside of them. So I'm not sure if you can see that. Can you see that? Probably. There you go. Yeah. They have lint inside of them. I'm gonna show you guys how to trim that off as well. And without further ado, let's get into it.
On the beat.
That was by far the worst shoelace removal I've ever experienced. Anyway, we're gonna be using this shoe tree just to get that form into the shoe. All right, so now I'm gonna be using rejuvenator to clean these shoes. Give it a really good scrub. I can't wait to see how they'll look after this whole thing is done. All right, let's go. Okay, so they look, wow. Okay, that happened. They look way freaking better, man. That white is back in there. I'm gonna let the shoe sit just for so that the suds and the solution can kick in, get in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this shoe rest for a bit and then we'll be back. All right, guys, it is currently the next day. I went ahead and let the shoes dry overnight. They look phenomenal. The black is it's back to black. The red is popping. That white midsole is back to white. They look very good. Off camera, I went ahead and painted the soles back to white. What I used to do that with was paint marker. This paint marker is oil-based, so when you use oil-based paint markers, it bonds better, I guess you can say, with the material, so the paint doesn't crack. It's very inexpensive. It's like around 10 bucks, 10, 11 bucks on Amazon. So next, what I'm gonna show you guys is how to remove the lint from the sock liner. As you can see, there's some lint in there. It's very tacky. It looks very tacky. It doesn't look professional at all. With that, I'll be using a lint shaver. These are also very inexpensive. You can buy it at Walmart or Amazon, they're about 10 bucks again, depending which one you get. I'm cheap, so I went with the cheaper one. They all work the same. So let's go ahead and get into that.
Edits. 27 hearts beat.
Alright guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am satisfied on the way these turned out. Hopefully my client is very happy as well. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Trust.